everybody, it's Bonnie, the Easy Does It Chef. I'm so excited. Do you know what time it is? It's strawberry time! Have you seen the beautiful strawberries popping up in the stands lately? I have, and when I think of strawberries, I always think of making strawberry shortcake. So we have the shortcakes, we have the strawberries. What's missing? Yep, the whipped cream. Whipped cream makes everything a little better and a little tastier. So today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious and super easy whipped cream in the Pampered Chef whipped cream maker. Watch. Aren't these some beautiful shortcakes? I know they're going to be tasty and they're going to be nice and tender and crisp on the bottom, moist in the inside, largely due to the Pampered Chef stoneware that I've got here. In the back, we've got our strawberries stored in the 4-cup small batter bowl. It's nice to come with a lid. Wanted to show you the difference in size. This is the regular size batter bowl. It has 64 ounces. They're both just really nice quality. You can just feel how nice and heavy they are because of the good quality. Another thing I wanted to compare and contrast a little bit was the new stoneware, the StoneFusion, with my old stoneware pizza pan. Can you notice any differences? Some of the differences you can see, some you can't. One difference in the new stoneware as compared to the old is that you can put it in the dishwasher. You can put it under the broiler. It will not retain any flavors from the past thing, so your brownies won't taste like chicken or whatever you had last time, or vice versa. Another difference between the old pizza pan and the new is the lip that goes around here. You see that? Where the other one was completely flat. This has a lip in the back, and that prevents your pizza from not falling to the back of your oven when you take the pizza peel to take it off. I've had that kind of happen a few times with the other. Another difference are these two handles built right in here. Now my old pizza pan came with a wire rack that fit underneath and came around on the sides and had handles, and you put that right in the oven with your pizza pan and then take it out. Just leave it in there and then take it out when you're done that way. So that was kind of handy, but what was not so handy was how difficult that was to store. It seemed like it was always in the way, and I was asking my husband, because he puts things away sometimes, and said, you know, remember that rack that was always in the way, and I don't know where it is now. And he said, yeah, I remember it was always in the way, but I don't know where it is now. We looked and looked and looked, because I wanted to show you, but anyway, you probably get the idea. So these handles are a great improvement, in my opinion. It's still all natural materials. It's still made in the USA. It has a really good warranty. And so it's got some definite advantages over the old stoneware. However, the stoneware has one distinct advantage over the new one. Can you guess what it is? Yep, it's nice and ugly. So it's got a patina on it that's developed over time, and that makes it non-stick. And so it's a seasoning that develops. So I'm hoping that the more I use this one is going to start looking like that one there. Let's get some of these shortcakes into a bowl. It's kind of a big one. I'm going to cut it in half. Okie dokie. What's next? the strawberries. It has this nice pour spout. Go strawberries, there they come. The only thing missing now is the whipped cream. So we've got the heavy whipping cream. I've measured 3 tablespoons in my adjustable Pampered Chef measuring spoons of powdered sugar. We put that in before we put the whipping cream in. Why, you might ask? Because there's a little fill line here. It's important that we don't go past the fill line. So if we put that in there, we know how far we need to put the whipping cream without it overfilling. This is so ridiculously easy. A lot of things you can make in the whipped cream maker besides whipped cream. I've only made whipped cream, but people say that it makes the fluffiest scrambled eggs. So I can do this with one hand here and one hand on the phone. Ooh, I'm good. We'll see how good I am in a minute. So we pump it for about 30 seconds and we'll have whipped cream. It gets a little heavier, or not heavier, a little harder to push because it's getting more air in there like it's supposed to. Has it been 30 seconds? Let's see how we're doing. Ooh, look at that. That is some whipped cream. Here we go. Strawberry shortcake, topped with a copious amount of whipped cream. So there you have it. Delectable strawberry shortcakes baked on the stoneware pizza stone and topped with strawberries that had been stored in the small batter bowl and topped with easy peasy delicious whipped cream made in the Pampered Chef whipped cream maker. If there had been any left over, we could always use this lid to store it in the refrigerator, but we made short work of that. That's okay. It's easy to make some fresh tomorrow, and we're in good shape. See you later. I'm going to have some strawberry shortcake.